Guys, we are making twist donut. Okay, so yeah, we are making some twist donuts. This is what we do at home in the Philippines for our snack. Okay, so that's one. I already have here, so I'm gonna put some sugar. That's how we do in the Philippines. I have more left dough, but I think I'm gonna make that next week. Chocolate donut. I think that's what I'm going to do. Okay, I'm gonna put some sugar on this Tupperware. I'm gonna put the lid so I can. See guys, I put some sugar in it and then I'm gonna twist, I'm gonna mix it. Okay, do some sugar here. I'm just gonna make 6 guys, okay? 6 donut. So I'm gonna turn that. Okay. I'm gonna turn. You know, this is a very simple to make. My husband and I were talking about earlier. He missed some donuts. So I have a pre-made dough in my freezer. So I just throw in my sink and wait until completely thawed. And then allow it to rise for 45 minutes. Then that was it. That's what the donut is. That's why the reason, guys, some of the video I talk about, I'm always have pre-made dough put in my freezer because it's a lot easier. You don't have to go through all the steps to make a dough. So yeah. Okay, this is done. So I'm turning off the heat. Okay, then allow to drip the oil. I put it in my Tupperware and shake it. Put some sugar in it. Okay, then another one. Allowing to drip the oil. Then again, one more. Like that. Put this away. I'm gonna move the camera, guys, so you can see. Okay, here's the donut. Let me move here. Okay, I don't know if you see it. So this is the donut. So I already put some sugar in it, like that. Okay. The dough I did, I pre-made, when the donut dough, I do put some eggs, a little bit sugar, salt, butter for my donut dough. Okay guys, so this is it. This is done. Simple, quick twist donut. This is how we made in the Philippines. So this is a Filipino recipe that I made. Okay. So this is the Filipino twist donut, guys. Thank you so much, guys. If you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up or comments. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to press the bell so you can receive my incoming videos. Again, thank you so much. May God bless you all. I love you guys. Bye-bye.